Mo di ay na. Hi guys, welcome to our vlog. Karon magtanaw naka
Oy, saba.
para madunggan ko nila. Ta, dire.
Explain to you what girl math is.
With what?
Girl math.
Girl math?
Yeah.
Girl math.
Yeah.
Like
Did-
count. 1, 2, 3.
So if I pay in cash, it's free.
If you pay in cash,
Yeah.
it's free.
Mhm.
What the hell are you talking about?
Yeah. If I pay with cash, in my mind, the item is free. The item is free if I pay in cash. If I don't spend any money today, I double the budget for tomorrow. Do you get it?
Mo di ay na. Lan. Huli kayo kasi may nakano magsag nanay tugaan sa inyo wa na.
She's gonna get it because it's girl math.
What she's saying is, if you pay in cash,
Yes, free.
it's free.
Yes.
I'll do that all day long. I'm liking this so far.
If I buy something and return it, I'm actually making a profit. Oh God.
Well, then your mother would be loaded. How's it a profit? There's no profit.
It's because she didn't spend any money. They think it's a profit. Yeah, it's basically like
Thinks it's
the
a profit.
girls just do not. It's just something they make up, you know. It's
That's the dumbest thing I heard. If you return something, you didn't make a profit, you're even.
right. You didn't spend anything, you didn't buy anything. But it's basically like you got that money. It's a profit.
Be,
Well, you're not out. So, you know.
tinod to.
Girl math.
Hala.
For this whole week, I didn't spend anything, and that's good.
And then
So that next Saturday, I have a big salary, and I'll double the
budget. Mo lagi na gasto dira gini. Gasto dira kay Inday Princess.
dili mo wood.
Tanan tanan. Tanan.
But yeah, but you're making money basically. You're not making money. You just no, it is. It's you're making money.
Mo agree kasi ang ginaingon. Ina na pud ka mag-isip.
Serious?
This
Ha?
I wouldn't want you to be
Dai,
my accountant.
ina na pud ka mag-isip.
If I order a drink,
Ah.
okay,
Dili masayop.
and I already downloaded money onto that app, and I buy a drink using that app, it's free.
It's not free.
Yeah.
You downloaded money onto the app.
Be,
Girl math.
Girl math.
be.
Yes.
Tama ba?
Ridiculous. Never heard of it.
It's not literally free, but it's worth it to give a money for the something you want to.
Mo dai na.
That because you deserve it. You work so hard. You didn't spend anything in the whole week. So that for you it's free because you deserve it.
Mo dai free ang tawag nila ana.
Yeah,
Kay inis
because you deserve it. Not just a literally free, just a coat.
pero mo lagi inyong kuan giyatuhan.
Dili siya tutuhan, but that's it.
Hoy, that's it ka. So mo lagi dayon.
Ask your mother
Damay pa si mama.
and your sister. Sige tayo.
Dadakpan na gyud mo. Mo rin na yung kuan
Because
ninyo.
we deserve it. We work hard. We work so hard. Like,
Di gyud in short gastador.
sama.
Aso. Babay na.
Abay na.